Let's get right to the market action with Tim Biggam of Buy Alerts. Investors are wondering, Tim, what is next for the stock market? What are you watching?
Yeah, still looking at the S&P 500, that 6,000 level, which it broke out past, but certainly having trouble heading higher here. So I think it'll be important as we get especially into next year when the Santa Claus rally starts to maybe lose its luster. If 6,000 is kind of a top, perhaps if it breaks back below there, or if it will hold and maybe grind a little bit higher. Second thing, valuations, of course. Now that interest rates are kind of starting to head higher, especially on the long end again, valuations getting stretched, so that may impede the rally as well. And then be interesting to see what happens with, let's call them the Trump stocks, which felt a big effect of, the election win. They're starting to slow down, albeit Tesla still heading higher, but a lot of those names running into a little pushback here. So how long lasting that election bump will last will be another key going forward.
What's your trade of the day?
Yeah, looking at one that reported earnings, but seeing big repeat call buying post earnings in Oracle. The stock reported earnings that were pretty good, did not quite meet expectations. Stock got absolutely hammered, but is starting to find a little support at, the recent lows here. So I'm going out, joining that call buying. They've been about as cheap as they've been in 6 months here, positioning to lean with that bullish call buyer and not paying too much to do so.
How much higher do you need Oracle shares to climb to profit? And where do you think the stock is going?
Yeah, stock, pulled back from almost 200 to that mid 170 level. That's where I'm kind of positioning here. So looking for about a 50% retracement. So somewhere in the low 180s, I would certainly look to take profits on the calls. Or if you buy the stock, take profits on the stock as well.
Thank you, Tim.
You too. Thanks, Jen. Take care.